Hey, welcome back. So this unit is a Luvme Hair unit. It is 10 inches. It's the blonde highlighted bob with bangs. It's C-part 13x4 frontal HD lace wig. You know the wig is giving when it's cute and you haven't even cut the lace or anything. So let's get right into it. I am cutting the lace. I'm going to start right in the middle and then I'm going to cut each side. So here I'm just cutting off the excessive lace that I don't want. Using Got2b glued spray, I'm going to spray down the lace. I'm going to use the back of the comb and I'm going to comb back the hairs because I want it to be natural. I don't want to use any baby hairs, cut any baby hairs. I want it to give nothing but natural scalp. So I'm going to come back with my foundation, Maybelline Fit Me in 330. That is my skin complexion. I'm just going to pat around the lace. As you can see, it just instantly took away the whiteness, the ashiness from the spray. And yeah. Putting the band around my lace so it can lay extremely flat. And then I'm going to use my wax stick. And I'm just going to go along the hairline. This is the C-part hairline, and just going to get in there. I'm going to separate the hairs, and then I'm going to come back with my hot comb and I'm going to flatten it out just to my liking. Now it's time to flat iron the hair, and I am just going to straighten it. This wig actually speaks volume alone without me having to do anything with it. I love long bobs on me, so I prefer it to be straight with a little bump at the end, of course, but mainly I just kind of give it a really soft bump. Coming back with the Got2b spray, and I'm just going to spray the front of the hair just so it can have that lift. So I'm coming back with the really small comb, and as you can see, I'm just lifting it, and so it can have that effect so you can actually see the blonde hair. Voila, look at this unit. This unit is next level. I literally did this in the snap of a finger. I didn't have to bleach the knots. I didn't have to do anything. If I was really going outside, my hair complete. Thanks again for tuning in. All the information on this unit will be down below in my description box and even the discount code. This unit has two options. You can have the 13x4 lace, or you can have the minimalist lace where it's less lace and it's more like a closure. Thanks for watching. Bye.